Hey guys, it's me, Hair Obsessed JC. In today's video, I'm doing a get ready with me video. We're going to be doing a nude makeup. We're going to be using minimal products and we're going to be doing a rose pink lip, and I'm going to be all glammed up at the end of this video. So let's get started. Okay. What you see I'm doing here, I'm moisturizing my skin. I have oily to combination skin, and I'm going to use my oil blocking powder to help keep the oil from coming through the makeup really quick. So I use this first before I apply my foundation. Okay, you guys, I've been super busy since the day I moved into this house. My responsibilities has increased. I no longer have my mom to help me with the cooking. I now have to be doing so many stuff. Cooking, cleaning, getting my daughter ready for school. And it's just a lot of responsibilities. And because of this, I hardly have time to do my YouTube videos. So as you can see, I use a contouring powder to just add some color to my eyebrows. I don't do my eyebrows anything, but just add a little color and maybe shape them a little bit. I'm going to be using my Revlon foundation on top of the oil blocking powder just to keep the oil at bay. So if you guys have oily skin, this is something that you can do to help keep the oil at bay. Okay, so I'm just going to be using my contouring powder on my eyes as well. And as you can see, so far we use 3 products. So I moisturize first, then I use my oil blocking powder, then I use my foundation. Now I did use my contouring on the eyes, and now I'm using my eye pencil. Comment down below by yes or no if you get ready like this for your Zoom meetings. Okay, a friend of mine passed and she saw me all glammed up for my Zoom meetings, and she asked me if you're crazy. I don't be doing that for my congregation. She says, I'm in bed. I have my bonnet on. I said, no, sweetie. No, I can't do that. Just the same way you go to a meeting, I'm going to do it on Zoom. It's the same thing, and I don't turn my camera off. It's on all the time. So this is just something that you can do very simple in order to get ready for your Zoom meeting. As you can see, I just use a little bit of the Ben Nye powder underneath the eyes, and now I'm using my BH Cosmetic contouring palette. I've had this palette since the week before I got married, and it's now 14 years old. I'm just going to use some of this Parmer's cocoa butter on my lips, and then I'm going to get ready for my hairstyle. This is a very simple hairstyle for relaxed hair, and at the end of the video you're going to see how well I'm all glammed up. Okay, does that happen to you guys where the bottle sinks in like that for the S curl? Comment yes or no below. Okay, so the reason why I am moisturizing and sealing this in is because after my meeting, I'm going to be tying my hair down and have the same hairstyle for work the next day. So I'm going to use this hair piece that I created with myself. I did that myself. And that's just to give the back of my ponytail a little bit of something. Make it more thick in order to do the style. As you guys can see in the makeup look, I only use a few products and it's coming together pretty nice. So I just add my accessories. You know I love my accessories. That just brings the look together. And I'm going to be finishing up my makeup by contouring my nose a little bit with my highlighter. And I'm going to be adding my rose pink lipstick. And it's a matte lipstick. If you guys are interested in seeing all what I use, it's going to be in the description box below. If you're this far in the video, I would love for you guys to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments if you like videos like this, get ready with me videos. And I'm just going to finish off by showing you guys my finished look. I'm going to be adding my accessories, and that's about it. So that's the finished look. Okay, let me know in the comments. And I'm wearing slippers, just that you know. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and everything is in the description box. Watch these other 2 videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.